Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, in today's video, I am just quickly going to provide you some very important information related to this thing, that how you can prepare very well in the remaining time before your exam. Yes, still in these many days which you are having before your exam, just few days are there now, there is a chance of doing the preparation that can help you to score good marks. But what are the things you need to follow? There are going to be many other videos which I have uploaded on this channel, which will surely help you. Okay, but if you want to get the guidance by all the top educators, okay, and you want to take your preparation to the next level in just these many remaining days preparation, okay, so guys, in that case there are going to be so many new courses which are going to start on Unacademy Plus. So guys, what you can do, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription and you can attend all these practice sessions, okay, which will help you to know about the application part of the formulae and the concepts you have learned, or you are just going to prepare them, or you will get to know about this thing, that how and what are the topics which are important and how you should prepare them. So everything will get clear with these practice sessions. The another very important thing is that we are going to have even the revision sessions. Okay, so revision courses or revision sessions will be there as well. So if we are going to talk about these new courses, there will be about practice and the revision sessions. Okay, or you can call them practice course and the revision course. Also, when you will take the Unacademy Plus subscription with all these sessions, you will quickly be able to get the idea about so many important topics of various subjects and all the important subjects, you can say, okay, for your upcoming exam. And guys, all these things together will help you to be confident, okay, and to know about exactly what you need to prepare, what are the topics which are having the great chances to be there in your upcoming exam. Also, as you all know, that this time once it will pass, it will not come back. Okay, so guys, you should try to use it properly, use it well, so that it will help you to score good marks in the exam. It will help you to maintain a good rank. And with all these important sessions and the guidance by all the top educators, you will surely be able to do that. One more thing, when you are going to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can use and apply the referral code, that is Anjali Arora. As it is mentioned here, there should be no space in between. That's how you need to write it and apply it and get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Also guys, let's say when you are taking the Unacademy Plus subscription right now, let's say any course is there which is already going on. So in that case, if few classes or some of the classes or any class of that course has already been conducted, in that case you will be able to watch those recordings and you can even check out the discussion which we have done there. So that's how you will be able to prepare like all those topics as well. Okay, so you don't need to worry about all these things. And if I'm going to talk about the benefits you will get after taking the Unacademy Plus subscription, so the benefits will be like you will get the doubt clearing sessions. Okay, there are going to be doubt clearing sessions in each and every course. So that's how all these doubt clearing sessions will help you, okay, to clear all your concepts related to any topic which has been discussed in previous class, or anything which is not clear to you when you are watching the recordings and anything like that. You can ask about your doubts in the doubt clearing sessions. There we are even going to have mock test and the mock test analysis sessions. And as I've told you that you will get the guidance by all the top educators. So that's how guys, all the top educators guidance and the strategy, even the information you will get with the sessions, like the knowledge you will gain, okay, that's going to be related to important topics, important concepts, how to apply the concepts and the formulae in the questions. With the practice sessions you will get to know about them, and that's going to be very important discussion. So you will be confident, you will be ready for the exam, you will have all that information which you should have before the exam to get ready to score good marks, okay, and like be ready to even perform well in the exam, to solve most of the questions and important topics, done based questions. Also guys, now I'm going to provide you another information, but before that I hope that each and everything I have discussed here will be clear to all of you. And guys, yeah, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription to attend all these live sessions by all the top educators for like these well structured and well planned courses. Okay, and even guys, if you are going to take the subscription, you will be able to attend the classes and the courses by all the top educators. So that's how you are having more like sessions and more important parts which you will be able to cover. Okay, the topics and everything. Now guys, next point is that there is gonna be a Revise India series. So if you want to attend the sessions of the Revise India series, that's too good. You can check it in Unacademy Learning app, and all these sessions will even help you a lot. Okay, so guys, all these important points are gonna be very important for all the students. I hope each and everything will be clear to all of you, and whenever you are going to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can use and apply the referral code, that is Anjali Arora, and you can get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Guys, still you are having time, so just believe in yourself, you can do it, and just keep on doing the preparation, which is like the possible preparation you can do in the remaining time. Okay, so try to give your best and results will be best. Okay, in that way. So if you are giving your 100%, you are trying from your side that you want to score good marks. So this is something which you can try and you can do. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.